Not long ago, a remarkable event unfolded in the skies over Kursk, deep inside Russian territory. Ukrainian forces managed to bring down one of Russia's most advanced and expensive helicopters, the Ka-52, which is worth around $16 million. What makes this strike even more extraordinary is that it was carried out using a first-person view drone that cost only $600. According to Ukrainian military sources, the drone bypassed Russian defenses and hit its target with pinpoint accuracy. This incident once again proves how low-cost technology is changing the face of modern warfare. As we all know, Russian propaganda has praised the Ka-52 helicopter extensively. They claim that the Ka-52 is all-weather resistant, heavily armored, and armed with every weapon imaginable. The Russian side often downplays the losses of the Ka-52 Alligator in Ukraine, emphasizing its capabilities while highlighting the vulnerabilities of Ukrainian forces and their equipment. This narrative aims to boost morale on their side and maintain the image of the Ka-52 as a near-invincible war machine. So, what exactly can the Ka-52, also known by NATO as the Hokumbi and nicknamed the Alligator, do? This helicopter serves as a command and control aircraft for military aviation, capable of conducting radio reconnaissance over the battlefield. It can identify targets and coordinate the actions of a group of attack helicopters. Its weapons are designed to strike armored and unarmored vehicles, infantry, and aerial targets. The Ka-52 is an advanced development of the Ka-50 Black Shark model, which made its combat debut in Chechnya during the 1990s. Pilots praised the Ka-50's performance, and the Ka-52 essentially represents the latest version of this proven design. The helicopter is crewed by 2 pilots and is equipped with a turret-mounted 30mm automatic cannon with 460 rounds, and the Vickers anti-tank missile system guided by laser. It can also carry bombs, weapon pods, and other armaments weighing up to 2,000 kilograms. Additionally, the Ka-52 can be armed with short-range air-to-air missiles, such as the R-73 and Igla-V, as well as unguided air-to-ground rockets. Its arbalete radar system provides advanced targeting capabilities. The crew sits in an armored capsule that can be ejected safely from altitudes ranging from 0 to 4,100 meters. The helicopter's design allows either pilot to operate its weapons and control systems independently. According to available information, the Russian Air Force operates between 140 and 160 Ka-52 Alligator attack helicopters. Several more have reportedly been produced during the ongoing war. Despite these numbers, the Ukrainian armed forces have successfully destroyed or damaged nearly half of them. One of the most significant days came on October 17, 2023. According to the Oryx initiative, which monitors visually confirmed military losses, 15 Ka-52 and 9 Mi-8 utility helicopters were hit in a large-scale strike on airfields near Berdyansk and Luhansk. Analysts confirmed that at least 7 Ka-52s and 2 Mi-8s were completely destroyed on that day alone. The first Ka-52 Alligator was brought down by a Ukrainian-operated Igla surface-to-air missile system, launched by a young lieutenant named Suri Falatyuk. The helicopter was engulfed in flames after impact. Another Ka-52 was damaged by automatic anti-aircraft fire from a Zu-23M system, and one more was shot down over Kyiv. In total, Ukrainian forces claimed 6 Russian helicopters on that day from various models. According to Ukrainian military intelligence, Russia has lost an estimated 80 Ka-52 helicopters throughout the conflict, although the actual number is difficult to verify due to limited and often obscured reporting. A Ukrainian officer explained that seeing a trail of black smoke behind a Ka-52 doesn't always mean the helicopter is completely lost. Sometimes, these heavily damaged aircraft manage to make emergency landings in Russian-occupied territory, far from the front lines, where they are quietly repaired and sent back into battle. Even if the rotors are shredded, the armored fuselage often survives the hit. According to the officer, many of these incidents never get reported up the chain of command, meaning even Russia's own Ministry of Defense might not know the full extent of their losses. Still, Ukrainian forces are confident that after years of intense combat, they have succeeded in taking nearly half of Russia's Ka-52 fleet out of active combat, whether destroyed, grounded, or stuck in repair yards.